Welcome. Today's topic is Applicants Part 2. To access Applicants, press Menu, then press Academics and lastly, press Applicants. Today we will focus on registration. Within registration you can add a new registration by clicking Add New Registration. Next we have registration grades. Here you can view all active grades. And when you press Applicants, you can view all applicants for an individual grade. Furthermore, you have Actions, which allows for the management of said applicant, and Reports, which allows for the viewing and downloading of said reports. The next function of focus is Settings. Within we have Manage Pins. This allows you to create specific pins for each registration grade and manage registrations. To create a new set of pins for the registration process, click New. Then identify the academic year. Next, identify the start and end date for the pins created. Next, name the category of pins created. And identify how much pins you would like to create. Next, select is active, and below that tick the boxes of the grades these pins apply to. And when done, click Save. These are the pins created. The next function is Registration Grade Settings, which allows you to manage applicant registration settings. First, identify the year. To make the pins we created valid, select Grade Specific. This allows you to overwrite the default general settings for specific grades. Then identify a grade and scroll down and select Enable Pin. This setting then forces those who wish to apply to provide a pin from the institution before applying. Next, above Enable Pin we have Customize Form. Here you can reorder fields and add new fields to the registration page. To add a new field, click the Add New Field icon. Provide a field name. Then select an input method. And select either optional or mandatory field. Once done, click Create Field. As you can see, Hobbies is now added to the parent field. Furthermore, within Customize Form there is an option to link an additional field. This function allows you to link additional information to the form and save the information automatically within the system. To do so, click Link Additional Field. Below, the additional fields you created will be listed, and tick the box of the field you wish to include. When done, click Add Additional Fields. The new field has been added successfully. Please note, to use this function successfully, you must first create an additional detail. To do so, click Settings. Then click Add Admission Additional Details. Within here is where you create additional fields, and this function allows for the saving of information to the student profile. Note, only after you have linked the additional details successfully, which was previously explained. And when done, click Create. Now that we have created Hobbies 2, we have to link it to a field so that it appears on the registration sheet and corresponds with the system information. Please note, it was already explained, and what you are seeing now is another example. Please note that by selecting the option Link an Additional Field allows for the recording and capturing of that category within a particular person's profile. And when done, click Add an Additional Field. As you can see, Hobbies 2 has been added, and any inserted by the applicant will be stored in the system within their profile, if accepted. The next function within registration is Active Years and Grades. Here you can view all active years and grades, and register new academic years as applicable for registration, by pressing Open for registration. Furthermore, by pressing Edit you can remove and add specific grades from the applications list. Lastly, we have notification settings. Here you can edit and select how and when you receive information related to the applicants of the institution. When done editing your settings, please click Update Settings. Thanks for watching.